Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Form 8949 and Schedule D with TaxAct, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Form 8949 and Schedule D with TaxAct, begin by logging into your TaxAct account. Navigate to your tax return dashboard. Locate the section for Income and click on it. Scroll down to find Capital Gains and Losses. Click on the option to start or edit your Form 8949. Review any existing transactions listed on the form. If you need to add a new transaction, select the button to add a new entry. Fill in the details for the new transaction, including the date acquired, date sold, and sale proceeds. Make sure to list the cost basis for the assets sold. After adding all necessary transactions, review for accuracy. Once complete, save your changes to Form 8949. Next, locate the Schedule D section in your dashboard. Click on the Start or Edit button for Schedule D. Review the totals from Form 8949 that will automatically populate Schedule D. Verify that capital gain and loss figures are correctly calculated. Make any required adjustments to ensure accuracy of totals. After confirming all information, proceed to save your changes on Schedule D. Finally, return to your dashboard to complete any remaining sections of your tax return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.